Hello and welcome back in this new video. Welcome in my channel and thank you so much for your support. Please don't forget to like my video, share with your friends and subscribe in my channel. So video of today is about Magic Ears, an online English teaching company based in China. So Magic Ears goal is to match young Chinese students with qualified native English speaking teachers in order to learn and grow their English skills. So Magic Ears offers group classes to students from 4 to 12 in China. Magic Ears focuses on high energy and interactive class style and offers free training on a wide range of topics from experienced teachers, and also offers successful teachers a chance at higher positions in the company. This includes interviewers, trainers, and social media administrators. So I'm going to share with you some class style in this company. It is about a group classes of up to 4 students and 25 minutes of time plus the 5 extra minutes to record students' feedback. And curriculum is provided, but teachers must prepare 2 relevant prompts for each class. No lesson planning, no talking to parents, no correcting homeworks, and parents do not choose the teachers. Magic Ears arranges all of the booking to ensure all teachers are fairly booked based on their ranking in the company. So here are the requirements. So to teach at Magic Ears, you must have a bachelor degree or be in active pursuits of bachelor's degree. You must have 120-hour ESL certifications like TESOL or TOEFL. You must be a native English speaker, but Magic Ears is currently posing applications from California residents due to AB5 restrictions, and should have some teaching experience as well. The pay in the Magic Ears is about up to $26 per hour, and the best pay at Magic Ears is 8. So as I said, the best pay at Magic Ears is $8 to $10 per 30 minute, 25-minute class plus 5 minutes to record students' feedback. Your best pay is determined by your teaching credentials and experience. You can also earn up to additional $1 per class for showing up 3 minutes before your class and teaching all your lessons according to schedule. Finally, you can earn up to an additional $1 for each class you teach if you open more than 60 classes in 1 month during their peak hours. Magic Ears teachers can earn raises or bonuses upon contract renewable as long as they have met the defined threshold of peak carrots. Here I'm going to share with you the Magic Ears peak teaching times. Peak hours are from 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Beijing time on weekdays, and 9:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. on the weekends. And you can also apply during the weekdays as well as the weekend days. I'm going to share with you some tips on the application process. So there are some stages, which are: the first stage, apply online. So at this stage, you fill out the online form, you upload your photo and submit your resume and proof of education. If you are approved, you can choose between a live or recorded demo class. Both are reviewed using the same criteria. And in the second stage, there are some training preparations, live coaching demo, and trial classes. If you pass stage 1, you move on the training. You will receive a training video to review prior to your live coaching demo. The training demo class, you will teach a brief lesson and receive a feedback from the trainer. If all goes well, you will be allowed to teach a trial class. And there are also some other stages, like we can move to the stage number 3. After that, you have background check and sign the contract. If you perform well during the teacher trial class and pass, you must complete a background check. If there are no problems, you are offered a 6-month contract to sign. And Magic Ears also offers a free optional video-based training course to help applicants feel fully prepared for teaching with the company. So much for your support and thank you for your attention. Here is the end of this video. Hope you all are getting something new from this video, and I shared all the stuffs which I know and all the informations about the Magic Ears ESL company. I hope to see you in my next upcoming video about the tips for the Magic Ears interview and the questions which are asked during demo class interview. See you.